Step 5. Fixing marker errors. Identifying errors in marker settings. Once marker data has been input and adjusted, it may not be possible to print the current marker set. Information on the current status of an open marker set with the number of errors can be found in the bottom right corner. If there are any errors, the print option will not be available. Errors may include insufficient marker length or too big font being selected. Every heading of a marker with errors will be highlighted in red, and display symbols specifying the detailed error information once hovered with the mouse cursor. Filtering and fixing marker errors. To fix common marker mistakes, use the marker filter according to their status. You can display a full list of marker statuses with the number of times each error has occurred by selecting the funnel icon in the heading. Only select those that you want to correct and approve at the given time. Select the displayed markers one by one using the Ctrl+A keys or your mouse. Error correction depends on the project specs and may include a template change or a change in marker size. Once you have successfully applied the corrections, disable the filter to have a full marker display. The icon on the bottom right corner will allow you to confirm that all the errors have been fixed.